So in this training, I'm going to talk about how to prepare a funnel to sell any kinds of product. But today, I'm going to talk about specifically selling a digital product. If you have any kinds of digital product, this funnel, this training going to help you to achieve that. And here, I'm going to start with the basic things, okay? How we should set up our foundation and how we can do that. Even though you're beginner also, you can do it very easily. In this training, I'm not going to teach you all the editing part and website development part that anybody can do it, or else we can cover in other training. But today, I'm going to talk about logical things, what part we have to focus on and how we can go ahead, okay? So let's suppose we have a product. Right now, I will take one example called employee management software. So I will take that example. With that example, I'm going to show you and I'm going to build entire funnel with that example itself. Okay. So here we have one product. So first of all, we should have one product. Okay. First of all, first step is that I'm going to divide in a step. So first step is that we should have one product. And so a product is that employee management software, employee software, we can say it. Okay, this is software. But here what we have to do is that we have to prepare an offer for that. If you are trying to sell just a product, it will be very difficult for you to sell any kinds of product. Damn serious. Because you know what is the benefit of product, but people don't want to buy any product. People want to buy result. People want to buy something that will reduce their problem. People will buy something that will help them to grow their income. Okay, remember that. So we have to sell outcome, not software. We have to sell outcome, and that's why we have to prepare our presentation according to the outcome. Let's suppose you are solving some problem like employee management. You know that employee management software will help them grow the income. Okay, how? So first of all, as you know that product, according to your product, you know that this product is going to help them to maintain their attendance, to maintain their tasks and assignments, to maintain their all activities. Okay, but people don't want that. Even though they need it, but they don't want that. Because what they want free mind. They want to be relaxed. They don't want so much of tension. So you can focus their mind on that set, because we are going to communicate with the people and people will take action and they will buy. Okay. So that's why we have to focus on that. So this part is clear. Type clear if it is clear. Okay. So we are going to focus on the product side. Okay, and people side. Okay, so once we have product, we have to see what kinds of people and people are asking the question. Let's suppose first of all problem. So we have to find out the problems. What the problem we have? Let's suppose any business owner. Okay, first of all problem is that employee do not work when owner is not there, or else boss is not there in the company. Employee will not work. Okay, no proper work without owner. It means that many business owners, they feel like if they will start their business, they will get freedom. That's why they leave job to start their business. But the thing is, they are getting ulta here. Ulta means what? So they are not getting what they want. So you have to rewire their brain. Okay. So we have to focus on, okay, why you have started the business when people are not working without you? It means that business is not running without you. So that is the problem. Okay, so no proper system work. Okay, that's why they need it. And then what is the other things? So if you have some software, so what will happen means they can achieve the desired result on time. Okay. So task management is one of the best proper is that. Okay, task management, and this will help them without present of the boss, they can do it. Okay. So boss are not able to manage their task, so that they have to be there to tell that, okay, do this one, do that one. Many of the businesses are doing the same thing. Okay, so you can focus on, okay, if you have the software, you can assign the task. Even though you're not in a company, people will be working, employee will be working. So that's the part we have to focus on. Okay, and one thing, most of the small businesses are very much problem with the timing. Okay, so even though I was running the disabled agency back then, okay, right now also I'm running, but right now I'm completely doing like work from home itself, so I don't have so much of a problem and I can track them. Okay, so before I used to tell people, okay, come on time, but people is by nature they will make delay. Sometimes they will come half an hour late, sometimes they will come 1 hour delay. Okay, they will do it. Okay, while going they will go on time. But this is a small things. But if you count daily 1 hour, okay, daily 1 hour of gap in a work, in 25 days, it will be 25 day work. It means that 25 day divided by 8 hours, so it will be around 3-day work. Okay, people are simply not doing 3-day work because of delaying their timing. Okay, so if they're not following the timing, so that's why they are getting loss of this one. So that is the problem, the owner. Okay, means if they will come on time, so owner can manage the productivity. Owner can, so they have to worry about when they will come, when they will leave. Okay, so that is no, okay, no tension or not something like that. Okay. And salary, because I have seen that if people will work less, if you cut the salary, they will feel bad. Okay, so you don't have to do it, system will do it for them. So system will calculate the time of the working hour and it will divide the salary according to that itself. So you can say that as an owner, okay, I don't know, whatever work you have done, you're getting that. So owner will be relaxed in that time. Okay, so that is the things we have to focus on. So we have to figure out multiple, okay, pain point that they have. So likewise they can do it. Okay, and one of the most important things that sales. Okay, for them sales. Most business owner, they have everything. Why is that? Because they have lack of proper customer management. So there is 3 kinds of customer. One customer is, okay, cold customer. Everybody know that. Okay, most of the people know that if they are doing the online business. And second one is that warm customer. And third is that hot customer. Okay, there are 3 kinds of customer are there. But according to that only, we have to react and we have to communicate. We cannot send same offer to the each and every client. We cannot do that. If you're doing that, definitely you're losing the sales. So that's why if some people are there hot customer, we have to communicate differently. If somebody is a warm customer, we have to communicate differently. In case if you don't know what is this, so cold customer is something who don't know about you anything. Somebody who don't know about anything, they are our cold customer. Okay, and somebody know you, but they have not purchased yet. So that customer is a warm customer, and somebody have bought something from you from past any time. So they are the hot customer, and they are the number 1 person. Whenever new offer is coming, we have to offer them itself. Okay, and whenever cold customer is there, okay, so we do not have to offer any product. We have to just make a relationship. Okay, we have to just make aware of that we exist. Okay, by sending some videos, by sending some testimony, some of the good stuff or some valuable things without asking for money. Okay, so what will happen means we have to send video multiple things so that they can know us. First of all, our main purpose. Okay, then once they know us, then we can present some offer, or else we can ask something to purchase. We should not ask this person to purchase, never. Okay, you can do that as well, but you will get very less. Okay, very less conversion. As you have seen, if you're trying to sell something from past few months or few years, and if you're not getting sales, it means that probably you have list of customer and you are doing direct sales. This is called direct sales. Okay. For example, if you take an example here, so how we have to communicate. So you also know that whenever we go to the friend's home, okay, whenever we go to the friend's home, so whenever friends come, so we talk openly. We talk about, hi there, how are you? Like that. And if some elder person come, we will do namaste or do something like that. We will do, okay, and calmly we will talk. And some kids is coming, then we have to, hi, how are you? And have you done have you finished the food, or which class you are studying? So our tonality will be different. ओके कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर डिफरेंट लोगों के साथ में हम लोग डिफरेंट बिहेवियर करते हैं, ठीक है, बड़े लोगों के साथ अलग बिहेवियर होता है, और हमारा जो है फ्रेंड है उससे अलग बिहेवियर होता है, कोई बच्चा आता है उससे अलग बिहेवियर होता है. It means that our behavior should be different according to our audience. We should know to whom we are meeting. Then it will be easy to communicate. If they are elder person, we cannot talk about something like as you usually talk with friends. Okay, you can talk something like politics, you can talk something like special things according to their age. So that is the things we have to apply here. Okay, got the things clear? Is it clear? Type clear if it is clear. So these things we have to keep in mind. Unless and until you have prepared these things, never you're going to prepare something like you'll get the sales. Okay. We want to do some sales, then we have to clear this concept. This concept is very important. Okay. So this concept will bring me to the step number 2. Okay. This concept will bring me to step number 2. Step number 2 is we have to prepare the offer. Okay. We have to prepare the offer. We cannot directly sell the product. Okay. So, okay, I will allow you to talk if you have raised the hand. Okay, you can speak now. If you raise the hand, if you want to speak something, you can speak now. I have allowed you. Yeah, do you want to speak something? Product is something like, I have already explained that product is nothing but whatever things you want to sell, that is called product. And we have to focus on problem that product can solve. If we have some product, then it means that your product is meant to solve some problem, and people are having some problem, then only they will buy some product. Okay. If somebody is there, let's suppose somebody is there, they are going to somebody there, and they are going to office, and they are struggling, okay, with the bus, and they're not finding right time to go there, then definitely they are going to buy bike. Okay. Means that people are not meant to buy bike. Why they will purchase bike? Because they can go office on time. Get your point? So we have to focus on, okay, so do you get like if you have bike, if you want to sell bike, you can focus something like that. Okay, do you always get late in the work because of traffic, and sometimes you lose the bus and you have to wait for half an hour for the next bus? At that time, what will happen means your performance at the company will decrease, and according to result of that, you will also get the less salary, you will not get chance to get promotion. So people will be thinking like, okay, so if you want to reduce all those things, okay, and something more you can add, okay, and if you want to go with your family, but you're not getting like proper seat on bus, so that you have to extend some time. So if you want to reduce these things, so I am offering you one special this model bike, and this bike having this much of discount, and we are having some of the offer. If you want to take, you can take it now. You can book it now, or else you can finance it now if you don't have so much of money. Okay. So like that, we have to what I'm telling me here is, so first of all, mind to the product. Okay. So that is the things we are telling here. So if we have inclined by the software, we have to talk with them about their problem. Once we know the problem, then we will focus their mind. Okay, this is the problem that we have. We will open the problem, and then we'll say that if you want to do that, we have very simple software that will not cost you so much, and in fact, it will give you so much of money. Okay, and this software will help you not only decrease your tension and mental depression, it will also increase your revenue 2 to 3x. Okay, so how? If you do proper management, your productivity will be more, and if you do proper management, you will get more sales. Simple. So that's why we have to prepare offer. And how we have to prepare offer means we have to see what kinds of people we are serving. Okay, if you are serving some certain kinds of people, according to that only we have to prepare something. So let's suppose, so if somebody is there, okay, somebody is there, let's say some rich people are there, okay, some rich people are there, and they will prefer to go to the mall and some like that, okay, and they're going to buy some, and some poor people will be there, they will be always try to go to the local restaurant or something like that. So we have to see which kinds of people we are serving. If you are serving something cheap product, okay, to these people, they will not take it. Okay, and if you are serving a high ticket product for these poor people, they will not take it. So we have to see what kinds of people we are serving. So right now, let's suppose you have only one food. Okay, let's suppose you have only one food here. You want to feed both people. So what we have to make it that we have to make it something like, so it will feel like this is a high value product. We have to make you have to prepare such a way that it should look like a high end product. Okay, value, we have to increase the product value of the product, not by price, by value. I'm not saying that we have to increase price. Definitely we have to increase price, but according to that price we have to increase the value as well. Okay, we have to increase the value as well. Okay, so let's suppose some if you want to cover these people also, let's suppose this is the same product, but we have to give something that these kinds of people want with their value and price. We have to do like value and price. Are you getting my logic? What I'm trying to say you? Is it clear? क्या आप लोग समझ में आ रहे हैं मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? ठीक है, तो मैं यहाँ पे ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, अगर आप रिच पीपल को फॉलो करेंगे तो आपको जो प्रोडक्ट है उसमें ऐसा कुछ ऐड करिए कि ताकि उसको लगेगा ये जो प्रोडक्ट जो है उसके लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा इंपैक्ट लाने वाला है और उसको बहुत बड़ा चीज खरीद रहा है, और इसी के साथ में अगर चाहते हैं कि उसी को कम रेट में बेचने के लिए सेम प्रोडक्ट, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट, आई एम टेलिंग यू द सेम प्रोडक्ट, और सेम प्रोडक्ट सेम इधर बेचना है तो उनको बताना पड़ेगा तो उनके प्राइस पॉइंट के व्यू से. ठीक है, तो अभी देखिए अभी इसको कैसे करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑफर बनाएंगे, कैसे बनाएंगे चलिए देखते हैं. So every business owner different types of nature they have. Okay, let's suppose a small business owner. Okay, let's suppose a small business owner. Rich means what? Big business, and a small means local business, like poor people, whatever we say. Not poor people, but local business. Okay, so a small business owner. So they are not going to do their branding. Most of the people, they are not focusing on their branding. What they're focusing on? They are focusing on the sales, revenue, and everything. Okay, they are more inclined about that. Okay, So we have to see give something like same product we can give in a 1,000 rupees. Okay, let's suppose for example 1,000 rupees, and like this digital visiting card. Okay, digital visiting card, or else you can use as a CRM, or okay, or you can use as a anyway. If a small business owner they don't have so much of employee, so we are not going to focus on the employee itself. Okay, we are not going to focus on that. We are going to focus on the CRM and sales. Okay, maintaining database. Okay, and you can do something like follow up. Okay, follow up also you can do with the software. Have so much of employee, why they will take it? Because they have to have some digital business card and CRM system they need, some follow-up tools they need, because they are alone. Okay, they are doing multiple things, so definitely they will forget sometimes to follow up the customer. In this time, if they have software, while they are doing something else, if pop-up is coming, they can call and they can connect the customer. Get my point? So that is the things that we have to do. Okay, so some more feature we can add. I'm not going to be going deep here, so you can assume like, okay, whatever products you have, you can assume. So like that we are going to do it. Anyway, I will prepare the complete content. I will share to you that as well. Okay, I'm going to launch the campaign on this one itself. So is it clear? And once we have like some small medium business or big business, okay, so how we have to do? So these people are more focusing on the branding. Okay, and they are having some employee. They are also having some manager. So we have to see, because a small business, these things will not be there. In a small businesses, this manager employee will not be there. They are working alone. They also can take it. But if we are saying that, okay, in a small business owner, if you're saying that, okay, take it, you can manage your employee, they will laugh, because they don't have employee. How they will manage? Why they will manage? So that if you tell this one, they will not take it, because initial word, few lines is very important. So that we have to discover what kinds of people we are talking, and according to that only we have to build our product and we are going to offer that. Okay. So as we know that this is the things, and owner want to manage the business very well. Okay, manage very well. So you can approach the owner. You can say that, okay, you have this much of employee, you want to do branding. So we have something that will manage your complete employee. If they're coming late, you can track that. Okay. If they're not coming also, you can track that. If they're going in the field, you can track that. It means that it will give you so much of freedom that you will not be worrying about your employee. They will be working by themselves. If they're not working it, you can easily target see that who is not working. Okay. Once you do that, you don't have to worry about the attendance. You don't have to worry about their task, because your manager will be creating tasks for them and they will maintaining it. But if you don't have software, what will happen means work will be going on, but you will not be knowing how much work have been done. But if manager is maintaining, creating tasks on regular basis, you will be knowing on daily basis how much work which person have done. So you will be relaxed that, okay, my work is going on. Okay. And if somebody is data, work will be done, but you will be confused like how much work is pending, how much work is balanced. So something like that. Okay. So another things we can add according to their features. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to do all the addition. I'm launching it. So I'm going to prepare all these things, all the offer according to the business. Okay. And best part is that what we can say this business owner. So actually we have one a special software that will do entire things, and you can run your business on complete autopilot or automation, and you can make your own brand, because we are giving you the white level product. They will think, okay, I'm getting white level product, this much features with very less cost. Whatever other company are charging, okay, you have to show some of the other company as well. If somebody is charging 10,000 rupees, you are charging just 1,000 rupees, means 10%, 90% discount you are giving. Why don't they take it? Okay, definitely they're going to take it. But you have to show them what other people is charging, how much you are charging, and what will showcase. Okay, so this will happen. But is it clear? Is it clear till now? Is it clear? Type clear, pretty clear. So great. Right now, and I'm going to say you, okay. So competitor always will be there. Okay. If you're not able to see, if you are not able to show them the competitor is already charging more, then might you lose the sales, because they will think like, okay, you are saying okay, I will. So sometimes what will happen means people are ready to buy, but they are skeptical, means they are going to research first. So the research part you can reduce. So what will happen means they will attend your meeting and they will go and search on the internet. They will find so many things. They will get confused. They will not take anything, or else you will lose the customer. So what will happen means, so before going there, you can say, okay, don't worry. I'm going to show you some of the competitor rate and what is their facility. You can do your homework and you can show that, okay, this company is taking this much, this company is taking this much, and but they will not give you the white label. They are giving white label with very less cost with all features. So you have to focus there right then and there, and you also have to show some of the testimonial and everything. Okay, so that will also help. So I'm going to come to the next point. So like offer, okay. So we have to prepare different offers so that we can make them purchase. And third thing is that once you have a product, once you have prepared the things, then we have to prepare your funnel. Funnel means what? Your system, how you are going to sell that. That is more important. First of all, you know what is the product, you know what is the pain point, and you have prepared the offer as well. But what is the step you are going to follow to bring the customer in and make the closing? Starting to ending, what is the system you are going to follow? That you have to focus on. Okay. So how you can do it? So this is the funnel. Let's suppose you can see, right? So funnel is something like from starting to ending, customer journey is called funnel. How we are making them, walking them through the process. So first of all, first step will be like, okay, leads. We are generating leads. How we are going to generate leads? Okay, how we are going to generate leads? This is the first question. And second question is that you have to. So we have to you can filter out. Filter out means what? We have to make something like qualified. Okay, make them qualified. How do we qualify them? Whether they are interested or not, simply giving demo to the each and every person, giving what we can say, pitching everybody, it will waste your time, because you have very limited time, but you need qualified customer. So how do you qualify that? So that also qualify. Okay, you have to qualify your customer. Means that you don't have to sell to each and every person. You have to sell the person who are more serious toward your taking services. Okay, so we have to define certain question. Okay, what question? If somebody is first of all, you have to see whether they have business, and second thing, whether they have active business. Business and active business we have to see. Okay, so we have to, there are certain questions that will define, okay, whether they are planning. If they're planning, they will not take it. If they have running business, they will take it. Okay, and then we have to see, okay, whether they have taken any other services or not. If they have not taken any other services, any other software, that is the more chance that they will not take it. Because if they are in a business past 2 to 3 years, if they have not paid anywhere, it is not always true, but there is chance that they will not take it. So we have to see that. Okay, if somebody is paying for other software or other things, it means that they are all interested in the software. So how we can do that? By asking some qualified question on the call itself before booking the demo. We can say, okay, so what is the business name? From which year we are doing this business? How much year doing this business? And so what is the other software you're using? So some Q&A session you can do. Not straightforward, but we have to be polite. Okay, so like that we can do it. Okay, then once you qualify that, then you are going to introduce the lower level product. Whenever you are doing, so see that what is the problem they have first. Okay, first problem. So according to, there are so many problem, but according to them, what is the problem? What they think they have the problem. You know that they're different. So there is a problem, but they don't know it. So what we have to do is, whatever they know, this is the problem, we have to introduce first, and then we can introduce something later. And it is always good to sell something to the old customer. So first means what? If they have so many data right now, so many data, people are having problem with the data management. Even though I had, till now I had, because I was using my own software, I have created my some of the funnel inside WordPress itself, some of the software inside WordPress itself, I was managing that, but I was not happy with that. I have installed so many apps to manage the CRM itself, but free app will not help so much, and they have limitation. Okay, so that is the things we have to see. People are having problem with the data management. They have data, but they have problem with the data management. So what we have to do, we are not going to solve them for the employee software, but employee we can do it for the large company. We can make it in a package. That is very different question. But in starting with the most of the company, they are looking for a CRM system. You can introduce CRM system. Once they will take a CRM system, again tell them that, okay, this is the other feature that we have. If you want, you can include this one with this. If you take it now, you are going to get 50% discount right now. Okay, let's suppose something you are selling in 500, don't sell that I am selling in 500. You have to make your pricing according to the problem you are solving. Let's suppose you are helping some company to earn 50,000 rupees per month, then your product cost should be 50,000 rupees. Because you are helping them to get additionally 50,000 rupees per month, means that in a year they can earn 10 times. Okay, we have to charge only 10% of what we can produce the result throughout the year. Got it? So like that, we have to introduce a small product or anything that they know. Okay, we have to connect with anything that they know. अगर पहले से जो उनको प्रॉब्लम पता रहेगा, हम लोग पहले उसी को ऑफर करेंगे. ठीक है, जब उनको ऑफर कर देंगे, तब जाकर के हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जब एक बार हमने सर्विस ले तुरंत, ये नहीं बात में तुरंत बोलेंगे एक काम करिए सर, आपने तो ये ले लिया है, लेकिन हमारे पास ये भी एक है, अगर साथ साथ में ये भी ले लेते हैं ना, तो आपको बहुत सस्ता मिलेगा भी. ठीक है, क्योंकि हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम ऑफर दे रहे हैं आपको, अगर आप नया कस्टमर है इसलिए आपको दे रहे हैं. बस आपको क्या करना, क्या है, यहाँ पे 10,000 लग रहा है, आप यहाँ मात्र 2,000 और एक्स्ट्रा दीजिए, सारा काम आपको हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो एडिशनल सर्विसेज ले सकता है. तो अब यहाँ पर बात आती है, ठीक है, जैसे मैं एम्प्लॉय सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे इसको. वी हैव टू डिवाइड सम फीचर्स एंड देन वी हैव टू सेल इट. Okay, let's suppose in your software there are 10 features, but in the first features we are going to sell 3 to 4 features. Okay, then it will be less cost. Maybe while selling that we are going to invest same amount of money, no problem. We have to sell it like the same thing. Okay, then so what we have to do is that, so then other 6 point is there, you can ask for upgrade. So once they will take it, next product they will take it very easily. That is the logic of selling. Actually, I had on service center in Bangalore. Okay, so I was running in past 4 to 5 years. Still, it is there. Okay, so what have I was doing? I was purchasing one headphone. Okay, for example, headphone, earphone. So I was purchasing earphone in a stock, you can say wholesale amount is 100 rupees. Okay, 110, 115. This was the rate was there. Okay, but what I was doing is that even though this price is not so much different, so I will do one thing. Okay, I will segment the customer. So in my shop, in the service center, so many kinds of people are there. One kind of people are there who are laborer. Okay, who are laborer means they will take very small product. So I will say selling them for the 140 rupees. Same product 140 rupees. And again, one other product, some different design. Just design is different, product is the same. Remember. Then I will make it 220 rupees. Okay. Then I will other product is there. I will make it that 350 rupees. So like that. So even though the price is not different, but I'm selling it the different way. So if somebody is coming, if I show this, if you don't know, अगर मैं एक बात करता हूँ कि अगर मैं कस्टमर को पहचान करके उनको अगर सर्विस मतलब प्रोडक्ट नहीं दिखाऊंगा तो 100% सेल नहीं होती है। अब मैंने ऐसा बहुत बार देखा है। मैंने इसीलिए सेल्स के लिए एक्सपर्ट इसलिए हूँ इतना ज्यादा कि मैंने 4-5 साल में सर्विस सेंटर पे काम किया है। वो भी मैं खुद का सर्विस सेंटर था, फिर भी मैं सेलिंग कर रहा था। ठीक है, तो कहने मतलब ये है कि आपको देखना पड़ेगा सामने वाला कस्टमर कौन है। मैं क्या करता था, तो पहले मोबाइल दिखाओ। मैं क्या बोलता था, हेडफोन चाहिए, मैं मोबाइल दिखाओ। जो मोबाइल दिखाता है वो सामने वाला बंदा, तो मैं देखूंगा मोबाइल का अगर दाम 5,000 से कम है, ठीक है, मोबाइल का रेट देखने से मालूम चल जाएगा। 5,000 से कम है तो मैं उसको ये वाला ऑफर, ये वाला प्रोडक्ट दिखाऊंगा। जितना भी बोलेगा मैं ये वाला ही दिखाऊंगा, अलग अलग डिजाइन में। ठीक है, ये नहीं दिखाऊंगा। अगर मैंने ये दिखा दिया, ठीक है, ये 350 का दिखा दिया, वो पसंद तो कर लेगा, ये जब पैसा बोलेगा तो भाग जाएगा। ठीक है, क्योंकि उसका बजट से उभर है। तो आपको ये भी देखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं मालूम चलेगा। जब 2-4 लोगों से बात करेंगे तो आपका आइडिया मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, तो मैं देखूंगा उसको मोबाइल और कैसा डिजाइन है, तो मैं क्या करता था, इसको ये डिजाइन दिखा दिया। ठीक है, अब मैं देखूंगा जो आईफोन लेकर आ गया, कोई अच्छा एंड्रॉइड फोन लेकर आ गया, अगर ये मैं दिखाऊंगा ही नहीं, दिखाने के बाद में क्या होगा, वो खरीदेगा नहीं। ठीक है, वो बोलेगा अच्छा क्वालिटी नहीं है, छोड़ो। अब उसके बाद कोई भी दिखा देंगे ना, उसको खराब ही दिखेगा। चलो एक बार उसको खराब दिख गया ना, बाकी सब खराब दिखेगा। तो अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि लोकल जो कम रेट वाला प्राइस पहले दिखा दिया लोकल कस्टमर को, और उसके बाद ये वाला दिखाऊंगा ना, तो कितना भी बोलूंगा 220 तो यही लेगा। ठीक है, और उसके बाद में और दिखाता हूँ, अगर कोई भी अगर हाई प्राइस का लोग आता है, ठीक है, तो ये मैं बस दिखाने के लिए रखता हूँ। 350 वाला बेचने के लिए नहीं, ये वाला चीज बेचने के लिए, दिखाने के लिए, ध्यान दीजिए। तो मैं क्या करूंगा, तो अगर हाई आएगा तो 1 मिनट, अगर हायर लेवल प्रोडक्ट कोई आएगा तो मैं ये 350 नहीं दिखाऊंगा, कभी भी नहीं। तो मैं ये दिखाऊंगा। ठीक है, ये वाला 220 का। इसमें क्या करता हूं, मैं ये दिखाता हूं। अब बोलता कि अच्छा दिखाओ, तो बोलूंगा अच्छा तो है, तो 350 पड़ेगा, ठीक है, ये ले लो। तो कम का बोले, कम का आपके लिए अच्छा नहीं है। बोले कम का दिखाओ, नहीं कम का अच्छा नहीं है, आप यही ले लो, 10 रुपये कम दे देना, यही ले लो, 10 रुपये कम दे देना, बस मेरा लॉजिक समझिए। और मैं अच्छा दिखाना बोलेगा तो मैं अच्छा दिखाऊंगा, यानी कि जहां पर है वहां से उसको हाइयर लेवल का प्रोडक्ट दिखाइए, लोअर का नहीं दिखाइए। तो अब उसको ये दिखाने से क्या लगेगा, दोनों का क्वालिटी तो सेम है। वो सोचेगा इसको ज्यादा देना पड़ रहा है, इसको कम देना पड़ रहा है, तो क्यों नहीं इसी को ले लो। बोलेगा कितना दे दो, 200 दे दो, ठीक है, 200 देता है, तो फिर भी मुझे क्या है, 90 रुपीज का बेनिफिट है। ठीक है, और ये मैं दिखाने के लिए रखा हूं। तो कहने मतलब ये है, कोई नहीं मानता है तो भाई ले जाओ, क्या करना है मुझे, ले जाओ। तो कोई ले भी लेता है। ठीक है ना, तो अभी लॉजिक समझना, वी हैव टू सी द लॉजिक। ओके, गेट योर पॉइंट। अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट अगर एक ही रेट में है तो उसको अलग अलग कैटेगराइज कर दीजिए और अलग अलग लोगों को अलग अलग एंगल से सेल कीजिए। और डेफिनेटली इस तरीके से करेंगे तो उनके लिए अफोर्डेबल भी होगा और उसको खरीद भी सकते हैं। करेक्ट, इज इट क्लियर? समझ में आया कंसेप्ट? तो क्लियर टाइप कीजिए। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो इसीलिए हम लोगों को क्या करना है कि अपना प्रोडक्ट को कैटेगराइज कर देना है और सेल करने के लिए। ओके, सो ये हो गया हमारा फनल। ठीक है ना, अब फनल में क्या होता है कि पहला मैंने बता दिया कि पहले आपको तो बेच दिए, पहले आपने बेच दिया सीआरएम, ठीक है, सीआरएम बेच दिया आपने, उसके बाद में क्या बेचा आपने, एम्प्लॉय मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर बेच दिया, ठीक है। उसके बाद क्या बेचा आपने, देखिए अब ये कस्टमर से एक बार नहीं कमाना, ठीक है ना। अब एक बार आपने सीआरएम बेचा, फिर उसके बाद में ईएमएस बेच दिया, उसके बाद में क्या करना है, स्टिल दे वांट समथिंग, व्हाट दे वांट, once अभी क्या बोलते हैं इसको, once they will purchase something they need something more because you made some relationship. Once you sell something, don't run away, okay. First of all, whatever you do the promise, fulfill that, and second thing that once you fulfill something, okay, once you fulfill something, ask, give something else. If you give something else, they will be happy to purchase that, and they will grow their business as well. So only software will not help them. You have to help them to getting leads. So how they can get the lead? You have to send something. You have to give something else. So you can give offer for social media marketing. Okay. So if they will do social media marketing, they will get more engagement. More engagement means more. They become more branding. It will bring their branding, and once branding is there on social media, it will bring more trust to the customer. Okay. If they have 1,000 customer list and they don't have branding, trust will be less. If trust is less, sales will be less. So this is your task to give some other services so that it will increase their trust of their business, and that this will lead to their selling. And once they will start getting sales, they will feel like, okay, I was not making sales, right now I'm making sales because of this person. Why don't we take something more? Again, he will ask some sales, okay, what we can do more. So we can offer something like Facebook ads, okay, Facebook ads and website. Okay. So let's suppose website we can do. So let's suppose you are just selling software for 3,000 rupees. Okay, 3,000 rupees. This is nothing. 3,000 is nothing because this is the business. Okay, it is nothing. So what we have to do? We have to sell something more. Means that social media marketing. This is a one-time payment for the 1 year. I see it is very difficult to get a customer. It is very difficult to get a customer, but once you get a customer, you have to take a proper advantage of that. We have to do it. See, selling is all about serving. If you are if you feel like, and if you are selling and you are doing something bad thing for a customer, then it should not be in a selling, because selling is a serving. But if you not help the customer, what will happen? Customer will not get good result. If they will not get good result, they might lose their business. Losing a business is very difficult for any business owner, because this is a lifetime they are earning and dreams. It will impact so much. So it is your responsibility to help business owner to get more sales. Okay. So it means that in a year, we are just earning 3,000 rupees. Okay. So that software is one-time investment, but they will do it. Okay. They will do it one-time investment. But why we are living just simply? Don't do it. Okay. Let's suppose you are putting 3,000 rupees to get one customer also, that is okay. Because you are going to get this social media marketing this project every month. Every month you are going to get it. Okay. So let's suppose you are charging 5,000 per month, means that 60,000 rupees in a year you can take. Okay. 50 to 60,000 rupees easily you can take it. Then if somebody asking Facebook ad, you can easily charge 10,000 rupees for that as well. Okay. You can charge easily 10,000 rupees for that as well. Okay. And website also one time. Website is one time. Okay, no problem. Then also for website 10 to 15,000 to charge. But if you have made your good reputation, good branding, then you can charge more than 20 to 25,000 rupees for a single website. Okay. Am I making sense? Type yes if it is making sense. So if you take the website, okay, so how much money you are getting? before you are selling just 3,000 rupees, okay, just software, but right now because of the social media marketing, you got 60,000 rupees, okay. I will put 1,000 message 60, okay. 3,000 rupees, then 60,000 rupees for a Facebook ads in a year. You can get at least 1 lakh rupees, okay. And if you have website development, you can do that 25,000 rupees. It means that more than around not 2 lakhs. It is 1,90,000 around. Okay, we are almost making 1,90,000 rupees. But before you were making just 3,000 rupees. So this is not about your product not selling. Okay, because you are not doing good branding because you don't have money. Because you don't have money because you are not selling more. Okay, so that is the things that we have to apply. And let's suppose you don't know this social media and everything, but if you know selling, there is lots of people are there who are ready to do this social media and Facebook ads, everything. You can work with them with a commission, even though you're charging just 50% or 30% also. Okay, that is also good amount. 30% of 2 lakhs rupees. How much you are getting? Okay, around 60,000 rupees. Before you are making 30,000, right now we're making 60,000 rupees. Okay, but here one more question, one more thing is there. So according to the funnel, not everybody will take the website. Not everybody will take your all the social media work, right? Is it possible? So all people will not take it. I agree. So let's suppose you are selling, okay, 100 CRM system with low price. Okay, with low price. Let's suppose 1,000 rupees. Let's suppose 1,000 rupees means 1 lakh you are getting. Okay, and then so what will happen? So 1 lakh rupees, I will put it here. Okay, 1 lakh rupees, 1,100K. It is 1 lakh rupees. And then how much? Let's suppose just 30% people are going to upgrade for a higher level. Means they have more customer or more employee they have. So our private level. So let's suppose 30 people are taking for a 5,000 rupees. Okay, it means that 5 3 is a 1,500 means 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, so you can this works. This always works. Okay. In 100 people, only 30 people will go for the higher package. Okay, then what will happen means, let's suppose in 30 people, not all people will do the branding because these people will not do the branding. Whatever people have some employee, they will do some branding or something like that. Okay, so let's suppose in that only 10 people are going for the branding. Okay, and they're paying you 10,000 per month for the social media and as well as Facebook ad also. So I'm taking very less. Okay, I'm taking very less comparison. So let's suppose 100K here. Okay, so like this you can do it. Okay, and then in that also website they can make a website or something like that you can do it. Okay, so this will be the website for the website and for Facebook ads. Okay, for Facebook ads, let's suppose 5 people are. I'm 10,000 put it for the website. Okay, this is one time earning, and this is let's suppose this one is for 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. So for the 1 year, it's going to be 1,20,000 rupees. Okay, and if you have 5 people, okay, let's suppose 1 lakh rupees for the one customer throughout the year. It means the 5 customers means 5 lakhs will be there. So it is not so simple, but you have to understand. Once you understand, it will be so easy for you. So like this, you can make it. So 1 lakh, so 2 lakhs and 5 lakhs, 7 lakhs and 8 lakhs. So total it is coming 8,50,000 rupees. 8,50,000 rupees you are getting. So how much you are paying for one customer? Okay. So this is the total like lifetime customer value. This is called lifetime customer value. Throughout the lifetime, how much they will purchase from you, that is called lifetime customer value. So 8,50,000 rupees out of 100 people. So what is the cost for one customer? Okay, so it is simply 8,500 rupees. It means that if you are making any investment to get one client, less than 8,500 rupees it is worth. Okay, अब मेरा कहने का मतलब क्या है कि आप जो है पूरा एक कस्टमर से लाइफ टाइम में कितना अर्निंग करेंगे, तो 100 कस्टमर से पूरा लाइफ टाइम में 1 ईयर के अंदर में आप उनसे 8.5 लाख अर्निंग कर सकते हैं अगर अच्छा क्लाइंट रहेगा तो। इसलिए मैंने बोला क्वालिफाइड कस्टमर, नॉट ऑल कस्टमर। ओके, तो कहने मतलब ये है कि अगर इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो एक कस्टमर के ऊपर में 8,500 होता है। तो अगर एक कस्टमर को आपको लाने में, आपका कंपनी में लाने में अगर जो है 8,000 या उससे कम लगता है तो लाना चाहिए, नहीं लाना चाहिए? ठीक है, सो वी कैन डू दैट। तो अब यहाँ बात करते हैं कि हम लोग नहीं 8,000 नहीं लेंगे, हम लोग ऐसा कोशिश करेंगे कि जो फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है, ठीक है, 1,000 का, वो एक कस्टमर को लाने में 1,000 तक खर्च करेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। ठीक है, वह एक कस्टमर को लाने में 1,000 खर्च करेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि अगला जो है जो हम लोग ऑप्शन में जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक हम लोग अर्निंग कर लेंगे। अब बाकी का जो भी होगा ये सॉफ्टवेयर में ही अर्निंग हो जाएगा। देखिए, अगर मान लीजिए कि आपने 1 लाख खर्चा किया और उधर में प्लस में आप 1.5 लाख कमा रहे हैं, तो फिर भी तो आपको डबल का फायदा हुआ ना। और इसमें क्या है कि कोई आपको दिक्कत नहीं है, मतलब कि कस्टमर एक्वायर करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि बस सॉफ्टवेयर है, एक्सेस देना, बस उतना ही। आपको सर्विस नहीं देना है। अगर आप सर्विस देते हैं तो वो तो आपको सोने पे सुहागा बोलते हैं, वो हो जाएगा आपको। ओके, इज क्लियर? इज क्लियर? कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर? इज कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर? लेट मी नो फास्ट। सो दिस इज द funnel. Okay, so likewise prepare our funnel so that and we should get the profit. And if you are selling just one product, so I will remove all the things, so fine. So this is the process of bringing the people, and we should have some system in that, like landing page, something like landing page, like webinar and everything that will come under the funnel. Okay, that we have to do it. And how we are going to sell first product, how we are going to sell second product, that we also come in the funnel. So after these things, then we are going to focus on traffic. Okay, then we are going to focus on traffic. As you know already, you have product, you have prepared the offer, and you have already made the funnel, but you have to bring the first people. How you are going to make it happen? Okay, how you are going to make it happen? So that is the best part, that is the main part of anything. Okay, any business. So people are ready, the people can make the system, they can purchase the tools, they can do it, they can make the website, they can do it. Okay, they can prepare the offer, they can build the product, but people are not able to get the traffic, and we should have quality traffic. And how we can do it? So let's suppose एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे देते हैं कि अगर आपको जो है अच्छा लोगों को ढूंढना है, ठीक है, जो धर्म से रिलेटेड रहते हैं, तो कहाँ मिलेंगे आपको? ऑलवेज मंदिर मस्जिद में मिलेंगे, जो लोग की नमाज पढ़ते हैं, जो की पूजा करते हैं, जो धार्मिक है। ठीक है, अगर कोई पीने खाने वाला, मतलब कि क्या है, अगर लोग को ढूंढना है तो कहाँ मिलेंगे वो लोग? शराब की दुकान में, राइट, पब्स में, पार्टी में। तो इसी तरीका से आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि आपका प्रोडक्ट कौन है और उसका कस्टमर कौन है। आपका प्रोडक्ट मालूम चल गया, प्रॉब्लम क्या सॉल्व कर रहा है, आपको मालूम चल गया कि किसको बेचना है, तब तो जाके आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आखिर ये आदमी कहाँ रहता है, ये प्राणी कहाँ पाए जाते हैं। ये होता है कि ये पर्टिकुलर प्राणी कहाँ पाए जाते हैं, तो आपको पर्टिकुलर प्राणी को ढूंढना है यहाँ पे। ठीक है, तो ये प्राणी कहाँ पाए जाते हैं, तो आपको सोचना पड़ेगा। ओके, बिजनेस की बात करना है तो बात करेंगे, ठीक है, सपोज बिग बिजनेस। तो बिग बिजनेस वाले क्या करेंगे? आजकल तो सोशल मीडिया में बहुत सारे लोग हैं, सोशल मीडिया में किसको फॉलो करेंगे? टिकटॉक पे नहीं रहेंगे, यूट्यूब पे रहेंगे। यूट्यूब पे भी किसको फॉलो करेंगे? जो बिजनेस ओनर है उनको फॉलो करेंगे, जैसे कि विवेक बिंद्रा। ठीक है, और जैसे कि मैं उनको वीडियो देखता हूँ या उनसे मैंने ट्रेनिंग लिया है। ठीक है, मैंने विवेक बिंद्रा से ट्रेनिंग लिया है। क्यों लिया है मैं? क्योंकि मेरा बिजनेस बढ़ाना है। और इसी तरीके से जिसको भी बिजनेस बढ़ाना है तो वो उनको फॉलो करेगा, कैरी मिनाटी को फॉलो नहीं करेगा। जिसको टाइम पास करना है वो टेक्नो गेमर्स और इसको कैरिमेटिक फॉलो करेगा, बस टाइम पास के लिए, एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए। ठीक है, तो कहने मतलब यह है कि आपको देखना है कि आपका कस्टमर कहाँ पे है। ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका कस्टमर फेसबुक पर हो सकता है। ठीक है, तो फेसबुक में भी बहुत सारा ग्रुप्स होते हैं। ठीक है, बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स होते हैं, तो देखिए कि आपका बिजनेस से रिलेटेड कौन सा ग्रुप है उसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं आप। ठीक है, उसके बाद आप देखिए कि यूट्यूब चैनल कौन कौन सा है जो बिजनेस से रिलेटेड कंटेंट डालते हैं। ठीक है, तो आप ऐसे लोगों को ऐड दिखाएंगे या अप्रोच करेंगे जो कि यूट्यूब ऐड वगैरह देखते हैं। ठीक है, इसी तरह से इंस्टाग्राम में भी बहुत सारे लोगों को देखना है आपको। ठीक है, जहां पर रहते हैं इंस्टाग्राम में भी, तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा इंस्टाग्राम में बहुत सारा जो है आपको एक एक फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, जो बिजनेस रिलेटेड कंटेंट डालते हैं उनका चैनल का लिस्ट बना लीजिए। आपको मैन्युअली लिस्ट बनाना पड़ेगा और उनको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, उस ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, आपको उनके जैसा बनना पड़ेगा। आप देखिए ना बहुत सारा मूवी में क्या होता है कि किसी पब में जाने के लिए आपको ड्रेस होना चाहिए, ड्रेस नहीं रहेगा तो नहीं अंदर एंट्री मिलेगा। उसी तरह से आपको भी उनकी तरह ही ड्रेस बनाना पड़ेगा उसमें घुसने के लिए, उस ग्रुप पे जाने के लिए। तो आप जाइए, क्या दिक्कत है। बहुत सारा कोर्स क्रिएटर है जो लोग है, इसको देखिए कौन सा जो बिजनेस रिलेटेड कोर्स क्रिएट कर रहे हैं या कंटेंट बना रहे हैं। क्लियर है, सो वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन लाइक माइंडेड पीपल and we have to see that. Okay, and one of the best part is that my favorite, LinkedIn. Okay, because in LinkedIn you can easily filter the customer according to your niche and according to your, what we can say, area, location, and according to your profession. You can see easily who is active, who is not active. Each and everything you can see there. Okay, most of the business owner will be, you can find there. Most of the business owner or professional you can find there. Okay, so these are the some of the places where we can find them. But for the ad, what will happen means most of the business owner, they are not ready to click ad on ad. Most of the pieces, I'm not saying all, but most of the things. But there also, if you're running ad, okay, if you're running ad, then you have to focus on particular customer. Okay, then you focus on just a business owner. Okay, just business owner, and then you can focus on a small and medium businesses, something entrepreneur. So you have to keyword is there, so much targeting option is given, you can set that. Okay, and if you target correctly and say correct word, then it is so easy to get more customer. Not only targeting, if you're targeting somebody and you're not communicating well with them, with their language that they understand. बिजनेस वाले क्या समझते हैं, किसकी भाषा समझते हैं, वो पैसे की भाषा समझते हैं। तो बिजनेस वालों को पैसा दिखाना है कि कैसे आप इसको पैसा कमा सकते हैं इस सॉफ्टवेयर से, चाहे इस प्रोडक्ट से। तो आपको ये नहीं बताना है कि नहीं ये सॉफ्टवेयर बहुत अच्छा है, इसमें ये कर सकते हैं, इसमें वो कर सकते हैं, इसमें ये कर सकते हैं, नहीं। उसको तो ऑलरेडी बहुत सारा काम के अंदर बिजी है, वो आपका एक और सॉफ्टवेयर ला करके और टेंशन क्यों पालेगा वो, ये सीखना वो सीखना वो सीखना, वो सीखना है लेकिन वो शेयर करने के टाइम में नहीं बताना है, राइट। सो वी हैव टू टेल समथिंग दैट दे वांट टू हियर, व्हाट दे वांट टू लिसन। ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू से ओके what is happening, how you're making sales, something like example, how making sales not good. Okay, so how you're managing your leads, because you are already doing the business, might be having some of the leads. So how you're managing that? Okay, we are managing our Excel sheet, you got two things. Okay, so then you'll ask something. Okay, so what happens if you don't know, if you're not in a company for a long, 4 to 5 days, you went for some vacation, so what will happen? Will your business will run or it will stop? So see, yeah, it will stop, because if I'm not there, I will not be able to say the work, I will tell the work, then people will not work. So you got 3-4 point. Then after listening all the problems, then you can say that okay, fine, we have to prepare one product, one software, and that will help you to manage your leads. That will help you to get more sales. Okay, that will help you to increase your sales, that will help you to do follow-ups on right time, and that will help you to manage your employee as well. That will help you to create tasks in advance Let's suppose you are going for vacation for 1 week with your family. Then you can create 1 week task earlier. I can assign according to the employee. They will do it. Okay, it is good. And you don't have to tell also. Your mind is switch off and out of range also. They will get the job on time. They will see the app and they will do it. Is it cool? Oh yeah, it is cool. So they will say something like that. Okay. In that time, we will be able to sell it. Okay. So this is all the procedure. But how to prepare all these things already I have covered inside the courses. You have to go there and you have to see how you have to make the no-brainer offer. Not only offer, no-brainer offer. So anyway, to sell this software, I have already created the no-brainer offer. I'm going to introduce you with you, and I'm going to tell you everything. Okay. So till now, is there any confusion? Is it clear? Type clear, pretty clear. Okay. So this is it for today, and I want to hear your question. If you have any doubts, any question, let me know. Okay. So I will tell you that if you don't have any question, any query, anything, then you type no question. So I will assume that you don't have question. So let me know. Yes or no, you have to type it. Have question, type your question. If you want to speak, you can raise your hand. I will allow you to speak. Or else you can type your question. If you don't have question, type no question, so that we will move ahead. Okay, great. Great. No question. Multiple people are typing no question. That's good. So because anyway we are communicating, this is a very simple way to learn. And if you go to the just theory, it will not help you. I have already created the practical way how to prepare the content. You have to just follow the course. Okay. Lead generation mastery course is there. You can just follow that. And digital marketing agency is there that you can follow. You'll get all this things, how we have to prepare the offer. Anything else you want to ask? Good. So if you have anything like if you're raising hand or any question, so I will let you answer that first. So right now what we have to do is that just so great that you are learning here. Okay, that's good. That's a positive thing. And right now, and this is the half work, and half work is yours. You also have to research by your own. Okay, because if you don't do the research, it will not help you. So that's why you have to do the research for yourself, and so that you will get the result. Okay, and somebody asking like how you can do that. So it is very easy to prepare any offer, any funnel. You have to just go through this one. If you want to edit something like on editor on WordPress, ClickFunnels, Builder or anything, that is just a tool. One tool will not help you. Like let's suppose if you are selling somebody just CRM is not going to help them. Okay, but in my offer, I am going to include something that it will help them to get the sales. Okay, if I'm just going to sell the CRM, it will not help them. I'm going to include something that will help them increase their sales. Okay, because we have to focus according to their need, their purpose, whatever they want to achieve, and then we have to offer something. So thank you so much for being this in class and listening me. And I hope you got so much of idea. We will see you on the next class. Till then, see you. Goodbye.